I don't think people understand just how amazing this 7-in-1 air fryer is. This isn't just any air fryer. It's a 7-in-1 kitchen wizard. You can air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and even rotisserie. With temperatures from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can whip up anything from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken. Thanks to Even Crisp technology, get that perfect golden finish every single time, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. And let's talk rotisserie. This feature is a game changer for self-basting and tumble frying. The top heating element with a fan ensures everything cooks evenly and to perfection. With one-touch smart programs, you can easily make rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and even cinnamon buns. Preheating? Barely any. From frozen to fabulous in minutes. It comes with a non-stick drip pan, 2 perforated cooking trays, and all the rotisserie accessories you need. Cleanup is a breeze with a removable oven door and dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, it's packed with safety features like overheat protection and auto-off. So why wait? Download our free Instant Pot app for mouth-watering recipes and transform your cooking today. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!